with you the metrics feature in the FitSW app. Metrics are a really important feature to customize based on your needs and workflow in order to have responsive graphs made for things that you want to measure for your client's progress. So we'll start out with going to Alan Carter. We'll click on his metrics right here. And as you can see, there are some responsive graphs made. You can view these graphs over a period of time, starting from an hour up to a year. Now, there's some dummy data in here just to kind of exemplify how graphs will show differently. But let's go up here and create our own metric. So we'll go to Change Listed Metrics, and we'll go to Add Metric. And then right here, we'll input the metric name. So we'll say, for example, burpees. And the description is amount of burpees completed. This feature right here that says integrate this metric, this is essentially just to calculate the percent max that someone can lift for a specific weight. Right now it's not important to us as we're just calculating the number of burpees over time, so we'll go ahead and add this metric. And then you have the option down here to either add to all clients or add to just this client, which is really helpful in automating the workflow. We'll go ahead and just add to this client. Now let's go back to the progress page. And now that we have that metric added, we want to add progress to it. So let's go over here and click Add Progress. And as you can see, you can add progress for all of the metrics or some of the metrics, which will help you in adding progress fairly quickly. So let's go down here and click burpees. And let's say that today Alan Carter did 20 burpees. Now go up here and we'll press the date for the 29th, which is today. And then we'll go ahead and add new data. And as you can see, it'll show up right here. And since we only have one data point, then it won't show the whole graph. So let's go back up here and add progress for a couple of days ago. So we'll click the 27th, and let's say on the 27th he completed 17 burpees. Well, not 16.99, we'll do 17. You can also adjust the amount input right here with these little arrows. So now that we've added that data, let's go down and look at it again. And we're viewing the graph in a 5-day period. So if you go over here to these tiny little 3 dots, you'll see that October 27th is the first data point, and it will only show the data points that you have entered within the amount of time that you've specified. And over here is today, October 29th. So we've seen a steady increase in the amount of burpees he's completed in this amount of time. Now you can see all these measurements in table format as well, essentially doing the work of a spreadsheet within the app. So we'll go down to burpees data, and you can see a nice organized list of the amount of burpees he's completed for each day. All of these data points are completely customizable for your own specific workflow and to measure the progress that you want to specifically for your clients. And you can also print out these graphs and tables if you wish and share them. So let's go back to where we changed listed metrics right over here to the left. And as you can see, you can view just Alan Carter's list of metrics if you click on his specific metrics in the client library as so. We'll go back to the client library just to demonstrate again right here. And we'll go back to change listed metrics. You can also view other client metrics. The importance of being able to view other client metrics while you're viewing specifically Alan Carter's metrics is that you can add metrics from other clients. So say you also want to measure biceps whenever you're dealing with Alan Carter, and you want to also measure bench max. So we'll go up here And those that are checked off, we can add to Alan Carter's list, which makes it a lot easier instead of specifically adding a new measurement or metric to each individual client. And over here, you can set the order of metrics as you wish. This is just to customize your workflow once again. So you can drag them down, drag them upwards, remove them, like so. And that is pretty much all for metrics.